Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Polar Flow application. Let me find the icon of it. This one. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now, once the devices are paired, we can open the Polar Flow application on our phone. Here I'm gonna skip this for now. And once you open the app, you should see the Today page. Now tap on the More Options icon to open the menu. Tap on the Devices right here. So you need to scroll down and find the devices and tap on it. And right here you should see your Polar Vantage V3 on the device list. Now scroll down through this page and find the option for notifications. If you want to enable them, tap on On, and you will probably see some pop-ups about the permissions. For example, allow notification access. So we need to tap on Allow, and then allow more permissions. So keep allowing the permissions that pop out. And once you're done, you will need to do one more thing before the notifications will work. And we need to basically sync the devices together for the settings to apply. And to do it, you need to press and hold the back button on your watch. It will enter the syncing mode or pairing mode, and basically it will sync with your phone. And once it's done syncing, the settings should be applied and the notifications should be working. So we're gonna wait until it's done. Okay, syncing is done. So now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord and we're gonna see if it's working. So we got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch. And if you open the notification panel, it is also on our watch. So it is working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.